Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is gonna be a quick little video. But it's an important video. I'm a bum. I'm a straight bum. Since COVID, since I changed jobs, since I moved from my job, I'm a straight bum. I've gained 30 pounds since August. Then COVID came and I got fat, I got depressed, I got anxious, and I became a bum. I just wear like loungy clothes all day. This is like my makeup for the first time ever. I've used self-tanner, that's why this looks a little darker than normal. But yeah, COVID turned me into a bum. So in this video, I want to talk to you guys about some ways you can make quarantine fun, like really fun. So if you're interested, just keep on watching. Alright, so number one, depending on what phase you're in, because today is officially June 15th, you're able to do a few things. So number one on my list is to go to a drive-in movie theater. Go to a drive-in movie theater. It is so much fun, especially in the summertime, depending on where you are in the world right now when you're watching this. I'm in the Northeast, so we're in the yellow phase right now. So what that means is we're allowed outside our little houses and our little caves. We're allowed to come out, see the sunlight, and yeah. So we're allowed to eat outside at restaurants. Drive-ins are open. So my suggestion to you is to go to the drive-in. It's fun with your significant other, family, friends, whoever. It's just always a great time. I think it's more fun than going to the regular movies. Just because you're outside, it's just a different type of setting to watch a movie. Number two would be what I also just mentioned. Go out to eat or order in. It doesn't matter, but buy some food that you didn't make at home that you've been making for like the past 6 months. Go out to that restaurant, bring the food home. If you don't feel safe enough to sit outside, that's perfectly fine. Order from the restaurant, get the takeout, bring it home, pop on a cool TV show from Netflix and just watch it. Binge it even. That's my third one. Binge watch Netflix with somebody. Take your friend, take your boyfriend, get your mom and your dog. Binge watch a series on Netflix, Hulu, Amazon, anything. It is the funnest thing ever. Now, a little side note to binge watching a TV show, I suggest some suggestions to that would be, they just came out with 13 Reasons Why, season 4. However, disclaimer, if you are sensitive to mental health, mental struggles at all, drug addiction, sexual content, then do not watch that show. So there's 13 Reasons Why. There's a show called You that's really good. There's a show called Ozark, which I've never seen, but I've heard it's really, really good. The Witcher is a great show on Hulu. I'm not really sure what's on Hulu. However, there are some good like early 2000s cartoons and TV shows on there, so that's really good. And on Amazon, there's a show called Grimm. That is an excellent TV show. Next on my list, I would suggest you start exercising. Now, in the beginning of this video, I blamed COVID for making me fat, but we all know it's not COVID's fault. It'll never be COVID's fault. It's my fault. I put the food in my mouth. I didn't jog in place in my room while I was laying down watching that TV show. I chose to order out every single day because we were locked in the house. So, make the choice to not do that anymore. Go out to the grocery store and cook. This is if you're trying to exercise and be healthy. go out to the grocery store and make homemade dinners. Go outside. If you don't want to walk around your neighborhood, walk around your house a million times. Get your steps in. Start doing some jumping jacks. Get a jump rope and just do activity. Start moving your body around and stop laying on the couch, because COVID didn't make us fat. We did. COVID's a good excuse to use that it got fat, but unfortunately it's not true. If we had the time to go out, drive 20 minutes to go get fast food, drive 20 minutes back to eat the fast food, that's 40 minutes. In that time, you could have exercised for 40 minutes instead. So really, it's all on us to get healthier. So that's another one you can do. Number 5, is it number 5? Is to get a fire pit. Now, they sell them for actually pretty cheap if you check online. They're like the small little round ones. But get a fire pit. It's summer. You can put the fire pit right in your driveway, right in your backyard. If you don't have wood, I know local like grocery stores sell the DriveIn logs, which is what we use because they burn by themselves. You don't have to watch it. It's really awesome. The only thing with the DriveIn logs is that you can't eat over them. So if you are looking to like roast hot dogs or roast marshmallows or anything, you'll have to use like natural wood. But we do the fire pit, I would say at least every other weekend. It is the funnest thing ever, especially on like a hot summer night. Put out the fire pit and we just go to town. We bring beer outside, coffee outside, snacks outside. We all sit around the fire and it's a great time. Especially if you're even worried about social distancing. You can put your chairs 6 feet apart. That's fine. And you don't have to invite the whole neighborhood over, just with your small, close-knit group of people that you're always hanging around with. It's just a great thing to do to get us out of this rut I think we're all in right now with quarantine. So that is my list of things that are, I think, a good way to get you out of this depression state that we've been stuck in since February. The winter depression is already its own enema, so adding COVID onto that, it just like, I feel like, at least for me, dragged into the summer, and I've just been like a zombie for a while. So I'm hoping to get out there, start moving around, start exercising again, start eating healthy again, and hopefully I can get back on track, and I hope you guys get back on track. So those are just some cute, fun little things and cheap things you can do to have and make this quarantine fun, because who knows how long it's actually going to last. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope you got a lot from it. I hope you try some of these things. If you do get a fire pit or you go to the drive-in, let me know what movies you saw, what fire pit you got. Drop your comments down in the comment section below. And yeah, I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.